Hey, if you want to set custom watch face on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 7, first of all you will have to open the Galaxy Wearable application, go into the watch faces. Now you will have to start scrolling and you will have to find photos watch faces. Let's pick this one for example. Then you can scroll at the top. Now tap on the customize, go into the background, and you will have to go for the pictures. Now let's select how we can add the pictures. So in my case, I'm gonna go into the gallery, open the camera for example, and now I would like to get this photo as my watch face. Click done. There we are. Now we can resize, we can make it bigger or smaller. And below we can also change brightness, exposure, contrast, and highlights. If you want to apply the changes, you can click done, and after a few seconds you will find this picture as your watch face, and all you have to do is just to click save. Of course you can still customize it, so you can change, for example, the clock style, the clock color. That's your choice, and that's how it looks right now. So this is it for this video. Right now please subscribe.